Ooh yeah, look what I just got in the mail today. It's the orange TH30 twin channel valve guitar amp. This is a Chinese made orange amp. Not quite as good as the ones made in England, hand wired. This one's PCB board. But let's get to the unboxing. Okay, here we are unboxing the orange TH30 twin channel 30 watt of pure goodness. This is a twin channel amp. It's running valves. It's an all tube amp. It's not like a piece of junk that you buy. It comes with those cheap guitars. This is what you go to when you want to upgrade. The new beauty of this amp is it does old retro, Led Zeppelin, Black Sabbath, just beautiful. And then you can really crank it up to get that chug-a-lug for the new improved heavy metal. So let's just pull that out of the box. Wow, look at that. Maybe we get a close-up on this. That right there. You can select 2 or 4 tubes. You've got your 8 ohm speaker jacks, your 16 ohm speaker jack, foot switch, your beautiful, beautiful effects loop. This effects loop is tube driven. And you've got your fuse here and your power. And then we'll flip it around. What else comes in the box? Just the cord. That's all you need. So here, you've got your on and off switch. Full and half power. You can go from 30 watts down to 15 watts. And then if you choose on the back, you can split it in half again and go to 7.5 watts to really crank it up and get that good tube sound. You've got the dirty, the clean channel. Of course, your orange light. Volume knob. Shape knob. When you dial the shape back here, you get more of a classic rock sound. And when you bring it right up, that's where you get that heavy high gain, beautiful, no mid type of heavy metal sound. Then here you've got your gain knob. Of course, everybody knows how the gain knob works. Treble on the clean channel, bass on the clean channel, and volume on the clean channel. Now this clean channel is just like a master volume amp. The lower it is, the cleaner it is. The louder it is, you can really get some dirty channel out of that clean channel. And of course your input jack.